Here today we got a 1964 Oldsmobile Jetstar 88 here at Rumley Motors in Greensboro, North Carolina. This is a convertible. Power top works well. Clean driver condition interior. You know, I'd call this car a nice driver shaped car. It's not a fresh restoration, but it's a, you know, it's a driver. It's presentable. You can go somewhere and not be worried about any nicks or scratches or, you know, somebody damaging it. It's inexpensive in my opinion. Motor runs good. Transmission shifts like it should. Power steering, power brakes. Car does have some nicks and scratches. Like there's a chip there, a little scratch. There's a few chips on the back of this quarter panel here. But overall, it's a good driver shaped car. And this is a 1964 Oldsmobile Jetstar here at Rumley Motors in Greensboro, North Carolina. If you're interested in it, give us a call or send us a message. We'll be glad to help you out.